Ewzavo ahaye juicy news. Bema obibia akwaba. Latest hot kwa eramede bremo. Na answer na ensumni nyina beba no se wunya subscribe ya bomodi ya se ube subscribe to channel. Da wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ba wo fufuro so da wenye biwe na wo ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana be mo hadam. Afi yehwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so. Yinti eye sankomo ya aba abeto dwa yinti eye sansebi mainti.
Doc Agwaba.
Yeah, now.
Afi shapaso.
Afin committee afi say near onkwa.
That same school dey say. I'm said. You see school dey say I dey say. Ye dey abram say.
Ye twen nkra. Ni say dey ye dey nim say USTD. Na nkra no ne third USTED. University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial
University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development. You say I can't appear men canon ye free.
I say papa wa Bob Brasa no. Na ye di school ato no. So na NDC for buy near market sell they are only majoring on the minors. Na when you say ade we mayen, it will not cost the universities less than 5 million Ghana cedis.
Oh yes, because some change mo letterhead, mo bill boss.
It will not cost the universities. Meanwhile, universities need to grow more for a seed scanning coin.
I see.
Oh, mobile scanning adinyamai na school are printing envelopes, signboards, and nyoma souvenirs. Ni nyina was say sano. And now I feel say na nya there was a wasted time. And in Krane ba you know first no Amstead no you know ho na nkra na ye ni ye no mo so mo pen Amstead. Mo so mo pen Amstead no. And mo ye na Amstead na e kai. Ti mo ba ye twa mo minim say mo ba be man very nice name mama.
Na nya the acronym.
That is it Akufo Addo so.
Okay. That's it. Listen.
Ofa.
Afa.
Afin kombeti na afisi sei na Nyankopon ye fi adomu de kwa adomu na wo hire mu bia o wa hanum sei. Ofa we de mechia na machia eye Dr. Solomon. Mechia mu Dr. Simon. Mechia mu production team nyina na machia ahwefo a ma gibra mo hwe Kesben enwumbre so. We de ti rote kokoso asase so na Nyankwada me free eye regional minister so ye na ba regional minister de ncha kese de ma Asante nyina. Na enema bi koso Asante mu hanim say I was Asante hu on say America krani ni complain say han esum e was Asante bebre pa and then me know ka say ofa ke me echi honom woko eye ahonjuro na about no yira Kenzuba wabono homodi and e ho nyina e han kwa na wo honom wo hwe woko eye ejuso kwan so a ofori krom constituency ono so abon homodin o fast kwa new road o kwa abu akwa in fact so flying so muguso amoye o fa kronom in fact enema guso a ekoso se ne be ya ehan beba eye Asante mu hanim se nti ye bo Dr. Franka Mwako hene eni ro John Dramani Mahama Abaso se omodwene Asante man no mahu ne se esum de bebi esum wo no ya na bone ne nema kakra den ekoso ewo ehonom so na ofa school ya me kura me de minim school di o ofa minu abe wa ba akoko school honum na me mbisa ne man bo school ni di ntwada de bia obekwa kogugu no abo akire me o se ndi ofa o se ye friend is him NDC aba no ya school ni di aman ebe cost say 5 million or so then
That's the minimum.
Yeah, that's the minimum. But if I wouldn't say school na kase wodi ana edaso dada e na omo so bae no e no best school. In fact dina daso ma ban bi eni hono ma ba wa na adwin so best di no bo mo nko mo bae no NPP fo nko a Dr. Simon mo nko na ma ehunu say unwo ye kra ultimate ba ma na yedi utu badi ma na yeyi
Mr. Mamin correct you
offer
Mr. Zen Mamin correct you enye NPP na beto edino no kure wo muni say na ye Winneba campus ma menye sakwa da bi mo amfa this one pass
offer UDS offer some me bo da
bi uka bi I need to correct that enti we a new university I
in fact yes see so Era Rollins UDS on say they are to say NDC they are to say Era Rollins then education no. Yeah, want to say University of what Development Studies. Yeah, they are too so kama school where that's so Winneba. Munko amu baya. Se bin producer on for ba nyinsem oba no we. Ezo so e den ya obeto badi. wako tu bedin utu bedin na eja obi nso so aba no hu se bedin na utu eba bedin bone enya de ebebo o man no because ye kase enjan mo saa na wo be saa wo ba na kwa sibi ofa wo sibi no na kwa to din apia menka wan obi any problem ba ba ye ka se boy university ba ko NPP mo ba 8 years ni mo si awie enkra wo mo ko school enkra wo mo ko school ebi o level 100 level 200 level 300 of a university ba ko kura ni Ghana ha NPP fo ofa senya colonial time yura kwa men kroma mo ene abrofu mo ba University of Ghana on be ye ya university se wo Ghana bia ye NDC ni si ye uyi sa yes me try there uyi colonial time free honoma universities UDS one see here you has one mun see here offer enema bebre honoma ye mpese ye be kasa bebre what into buy ye no ka usi bi na otu di anken ha adwen into offer enya see awie and eni gi enso so na ye den minim se ye be do musu konti me ma me fancy ha no se na be ya ye ba mu ana ma hwe bi a minim die and no friend also ba o also ma and no friend also ba
sa na ndi o
offer oba de na obeka sa offer what we pa o hwe Dr. Simon and the NPP. Now we Dr. Simon and the NDC. Over Nyamiayebi.
Sammy Gyamfi protege. Se see na obekonu dia yisi offer or can be o ha no so ehia correction. Universities are NPP. You see? Esino. Public university. O dia say South schools na wo body na ye say yate no. Na ye schools e wo dada o. Winiba of ase minim se wonim. Uko Winiba campus are 3 different colleges near Kabo near the T Winiba. UDS the same thing. No NDC NPP by and NPP at Amstead. And now kwa commander na university no of local government. Bisa will be a go. The whole of no take your time. The whole of last week na me ho no you has minim say amount for she. You has na one big block say. Ena China for ebesi edemaye. For now, this way, Akufo Addo by NPP no. The way I say you was super. Mo we na brosign bakupe and na mosisuo. And the share NPP contribution war. Your friend is sign your we muna education sector now. You can match us.
Okay.
Offer now you see. You papa NAPO can send be a here reiteration. Almost the same bibia but KNUST. They changed everything by KNUST. I don't know the answer. That is another thing to discuss. Here can use to be self-famo. A dini ba for ye de to kwame nkroma from. Bre nipa bre wa ha ansa na yetimi abon. KNUST na yakeka ma ene.
Kan na UST.
Na UST ansa na KN. O just
K no ye beti ase no.
Ye bre ansa na ye hunu ka. So it takes time for people to. Na Amstead na etimi agina wie no na mo asase the brand. Share databases bebree of na universities no kwanim and gradually database no e wo ha ene Amstead no e feature o masa asesa afi na ebe take time ami asesa sa ne omani nyina you have no idea the ramifications of the actions you have taken but yebeka say ejamona say 2 million say mo decide say mo be major on the minus Ghana for share.
All right. You fancy na afie hwe the year under review. Some more SCCA any initiatives are buying 1 year. If you ready to me and so a share one more answer. Zin. Una wa buy what power? Are you satisfied with the performance? Bosha must say Ghana for during the campaign time. Kokon kete 24-hour economy and then near can already a binary affair the Kenya. Are you okay?
I'm very okay. Dr. Simon, you're very okay. You're chairman Sabonsu, you're very okay. NPP akuku dam. Our mutrima bob bill, Nina, you okay. Inti any concern we crowd the obisa. Offer so our share offer. You're a forecast in which they say, so koto abakwana show was sitting them. Never koto aba. This all show was sitting them 2024. NPP time. Now the compare was sitting and the NDC time offer. We here so be a better say NDC time is better than the NPP time no. Offer. You're a Bawumia catcher and say Ghana ni bibia kwa kosi economy so. Offer you United Hand say economy. Me boa.
Yeah.
You're a Akufo Addo so catcher and say you're a Mahama FLE 2016 because of economy no. It's no what they abrantie bi ani trimabo bill e wo economy mu a wakwa bo Zimbabwe fo nyina de e ba Ghana ha mana beboa ye NPP for se bi pedua se package alaji Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia kama de Ghana for me eto no because economy nti na we na omoba omu fra ba mu no and then Dr. Simon ti asisi yi no ubisa Dr. Simon say oma one economic indicator of a debate and then debate one economic indicator NPP time better than NDC by one offer Dr. Simon Betma had him say 30 years on to mobile cry offer you had him say I get unim say economy near there you form ma ya ma menim papa nam maybe de metia santima muti de bia me kasa metaka wa santiman mu metaka sama santiman yesi de retwa ye furuma dwadie dwadie ni nyina so nko nyina na economy no se dollar ni cedi ejina yie a ebeboa ma me maame o kejeti o PZ a oton ni niema no so no okofa niema no ho behin ha no nti se wo hwe NDC e baaye no strategically ye yese da bi adwin ni ba ko fotiri mu ye baby friend economic dialogues of asa kai pa ye free Akuku dam for including even NPP for omo former Bank of Ghana governor he was even present omo nyina be toto omo adwina omo kire se da bi o bebi a empempeso na na do aban ne Dr. Simon mu e de Ghana economy akodu no e wo se ye wei ABCD e wan na ye Ato Forson oni Bank of Ghana governor omo status omo din nemegu akwamu e di nemegu akwamu fa enne me no kase NPP time enne asat enne enna me no kase NPP time 2024 na dollar na eburu 14 cedis enne me no kase dollar eso ate maybe 11 cedis 12 cedis eno no kire say ya perform better than NPP offer me Dr. Simon on the many ni mienu a na ka no mfele and NPP because na fuel board and NPP okoto liter ba ko a in fact do baby ko liter 17 cedis 20 cedis kwa na eko but enne me no ka say de bia me du ono ma de bia me du ni ka ma me bona ba so and the era John Mahamadu munti ofele fuel no 11 cedis 12 cedis aban papa ba offer last year by this time near 2 fuel mo of our names are there. Google see another last year December near 2 fuel mu. And then me no say December first time ya 2 fuel so. Ofa me ma me no form my on say car ya bi no mo fa o. First time ya 2 fuel so ya tip say lorry fare so over 15% ya ban ben ya under Euro John Dramani mama gonja ni de chekronkron no. Ofa me ma me no mo o send mo akwa ne ba me papa Dr. Simon ono obi a oyemyefo in fact philanthropic ni de wo ya de wo o ta cha de and the NPP so wo cha de de ama obi a o send mo mama obi a yete ni e-levy me ma me nim sunye omo so mo mpe e-levy alaji Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia yewura Akufo Addo yewura Kennedy Agyapong yewura Kwabena Agyapong omo nyina agina mu ka say e-levy ni de mo po de e-levy ni beba ampa NPP aban e de e-levy ni bae na de ye me ya kese kra ne say Ghana focus o mo mpe no o mo sa kotwa e-levy cake abra birthday yewura chairman sabosu birthday o mo kotwa e-levy cake e ma ne sa ye Ghana fo bufuo e de o how e beto Ghana fo so mo mpe NDC ye bo apro no yewura Mahamadu ka che Ghana fo so ye ba e-levy no tinton time of a yentwa mu of a se atwa mu of a COVID in fact COVID levy na levy a COVID-19 baye the whole world open baby a omo de COVID levy e baye e Ghana hanum say in fact China hokra na COVID ne start ye no omo fa COVID levy amba NPP 4 e de COVID levy beto ye so e ma mekai yewura Mahama video bi a importers omo ko talk cars omo ba COVID levy mpo anipa ni tua e wo car duties so na nye easy ofa ye ntwa mu ofa mebo a ndu eche se ye baye no economy ni bibia ye okay kakra ofa dum so eken kan ni minua Dr. Simon Betna hey na kwa start yewura Mahama ye ma dum so enne obe kan say o Dr. Simon do so no aka ma me why because enne kan ni gina so okay last year rot kokko so na nyankwada no complain say ne fridge in fact eniema e wo ne fridge mu nyina say the electrical appliances ni nyina say because of dum so okay offer enkofo ebe ka che so dum so bia ni wona dum siesie na je say rot kokko so na ne niema ne say no boa but enne NDC aban ye ba ye no ye di niema gu akoma ma na me ne wo kase no dum so o kan se nkofo ya me ne na betena ha o se ye ji 1 cedi bi o fa sa o kai ye ji 1 cedi bi mo check e kura se 8 cedis ye de be to de so ye se de ye yi ofa ye tu aye no ofa kan ya ne nyina so kan ya na gina so ma ye de Ghana for pa atie ni o do mu pa hu nie me kan publication bi ofa dum so ofa dum so no na mu a na bia ye transformer bi ena problem aba ho ena mo kwa fix it enye persistent. In fact what ye energy minister ni tirima bo biwie ye ragina po o say esmansi ayedi no dum so ye ndi esmansi ne se de sepe entu hihye o fidi agina ba bi na obaji wani kura nsuro no generator bibia sa anya den eni ho entendi se ba ye no. In fact enema guakwama ye ofa ye ba ye no o hwe enema bi ayaya e bo hye ye bi ofese e beti minister so ba 60 afa ya anye NPP 4 years en over 1 2 3 on first term ba ye no fa ya ye 60 ministers ye nya ofa neme no ka sei question no bi sa me no info analytic the report bi ababonten po bi ababonten e kire se Ghana for 66%. Ese baby a yera mahama ka na utimu no stia na ojifi alaji Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia sem no stia na wo osu no oji ye no kwan na wonam so no accident wonam kwan paso na 24% NSA sebi eniema kura anya de enko yi offer NDC enya sanye 55 or so 57 yeah 57%. Na 57 ni enya 66 that should tell you say nipa 8% krampo asa ba eden asaba be ka ho NPP nya say enye 38% offer the enfane sa by 38 by the enfane de okan no offer say 38% and na say 24% pe NSA o man nko yi enti NPP for na omukura say o man nko yi ne bebre na ba be kan DC for no ho e kire say ampayera mahama Ghana na wo drive no wonam kwampa so de Ghana eden ekoyi offer metna hanim say aboyi rojo mama abaso yura mahama ka kire so beyi appointees a omuye mabunu ofa wa yi mabunu nko. In fact MPP for no kra betra TV so omuka se nanke wo se MPP for ni bisua yura Akufo Addo sua yura Mahamadu Awoye nanke wo so no kra na ye bi ofa that time you say o senior minister oburu be 70 years yura ya usafumafo you say o wei omunyina nyinyini e wo animu. In fact omunim de but that time no say ofa politics na omuye o that time no and the politics contemporary time the politics na eba no dynamics na eden esesa youth near about 13 million youth e Ghana hanim say of a year to aba no. In fact isi ko ye yini na aba ye no na ni percent e beto aba I think it's about 18 million or so meboa o ye yini na aba ye no enti Ghana youth metima ka say ye ne decide who becomes the president. Ghana youth and na yura mahama yi mabunu hwedwuma de stronkra yura lawyer Sammy Gyamfi oh yeah oh gold board of a city ya kan wasem nyina. In fact untimi nka city no stabilization abrobe yi gold board modern bo ayura Sammy Gyamfi bo afrimu offer unim say last 8 years and the NPP except for the report ba be catch yen say every year annually biano gold are almost smuggled the free Ghana had the kwama no $5 billion. $5 billion offer ye kwa IMF ko pesen ye Akufo Addo kwa IMF no ko pesen $3 billion pe na yearly what mean lose $5 billion e was smuggling of gold one na kire say was ye put in place some measures bia ye betimi asisa na ma nyina no kwan e na gold board buy e na obesisa na ma nyina kwan ama ne and that time no na revenue and say royalties ani enya free gold ni nyina mu na ma ban ne ni nyina ba offer gold board say den Bank of Ghana and Bank of Ghana any gold board ye name bia offer. In fact make me aka say MPP are buying say some more even 20 years krampo muntimi ntena say enka dream bomu enya saade ni bida offer yura Sammy Gyamfi oto gold no no akwa to gold no amana wakoton no amana no age dollars no no ba no dia Bank of Ghana wo dollar o so we a businessman na say be up $1 dey akwa amanone a no akọ Bank of Ghana no akọ dollar ni bi ana say okọji dollar ni bi na say we okọji dollar ni bi ana say okọji dollar no na we kofa oniema na we oniema ne ba oba because of cedi ne dollar na stabilizing so ntino eniema na oba beton no obetete so ofano na ekoso enti ewura Sammy Gyamfi gold board no eni kwanse esi gold board no fom eni na eboa me nya dollars e wo Ghana hanum sei senye no ofa ahifa eni yesa prudent measures fiscal discipline monetary policy yewura the governor of Bank of Ghana eni yewura aban ni nyina yewura John Dramani Mahamadu egu akwam of eni na ka ho binti na bibia stabilize you because ye ka say betete niam so atete so ofa na wo bisa enima bi de hia me kese me obi amita kodwom pa me ye aduane ofi ofa
wa
me ntanto aduane abonte
that's good
me ye aduane ofi nti me omo ni mi pa de omo nim se me di fi aduane nti mostly me come market ekobisa nema bo ofa onim say palm fruit abe na okope paint rubber na NPP for free abamu ofa na ye 40 cedis and there about 25 cedis. In fact, me pa ban kwan pa me toto prekesa ne adwene ne enema nyina ediko fie enne eso ate ama 15 cedis no mitimi save de to me ho ofa na wo ka asem bi wa hanim sei ofa iron rods ye ba mu no na iron rods 9600 cedis ofa and iron rods 7400 maybe 7500 even credit say ba form ofa asema me kan obi a otie bia nim se ne me koye kakran ofa fritol oil make 25 liters no NPP free abamu na ye 960 cedis and ne eso ate aba below 600 cedis atima save over 400 Ghana cedis eno chese ra mahama bae no ene me koye kakra ofa cement bottle ano mu free abamu cement bottle baby kra kodu 100 cedis 110 cedis and ne cement bottle ofa send na okano 85 cedis baby kra ne almost atete so kakra ofa calipo ayero Akufo Addo campaign calipo you are Akufo Addo before calipo if you 50 pesos NDC if na calipo 50 pesos NPP free abamu na calipo 5 cedis and the calipo 4 cedis yes and the calipo 4 cedis baby 4 cedis 50 pesos enti no kire say NDC aban ye ba na de nema gu akwamu no abro bag so ate konkonte bottle ne so ate offer ya sanitary pad na NPP for Emeyaw turn 20 cedis and there's what about 15 cedis always no motor always can put a cocoa do better 30 cedis cra and there's what about my minua ban it me save be 3 cedis 5 cedis offer pad nanka offer we dey yenim say ayasetam dey se bimpedu ayasetam dey nka yade a ko ba bia be hia abra wadu ni mpanyin fi so obu nsa ba NPP aban on de omode beto so and then this buy no yes any many nyina free ho offer ye ko education
last one
offer ye ko education NDC aban ye ka kire ye mama ye maamenom ne ye ma a omo wo school omo wo SHS say mu wie school a ye beboa mo na mako university so apom no first year na aban no so be fa academic fees no offer ye buy ye start ye and na me no ka say enkofo branya admission portal aba ye so mu nyina anya den enko fele na yewura John Dramani mama dwena mo people with person with disability and na yewura John Dramani mama say universities no e was say free the more in fact me hu omo call omo to bar omo call omo ye from to bar recently me hu ebi mo ani ye pia omo in fact you see disability enye inability omo so betima bibi and they say universities omo so omo ko free of and when was the last time I say bam ye ma omo wo secondary school saw camera di president attempt that one will be said that no because enuane omudi no and then a Greek minister born homodin
all right
buffer stock what you say MPB akoye video send niam say na omai na kuafo aba send niam say na yura Mahamadu direct some monkoto amfanko secondary school na man nya den endi nti niam ekoso yi of am so sama memra in fact in me kasa me kan niam yura jo Mahamadu of
right I say Hussein Ibrahim na bai waso na watene nka no praising the government niam a omaye the achievements so far afidi kan mu no Dr. Simon Boateng Doc
over.
Aha, you say I've done nothing chair huni ye.
Over me das. Nya kwenya odi amami. Mesa chia oti for no ahwefo bio. I don't blame him.
Sir.
So no when you bidi on top petrol. So nti
also on top petrol.
That be now no I say o coupons no monitor. That be oh maza. Omo the coupons near the net or I don't blame him. Na ono so baby or tinity in here because communication for the baby only musi ya no muse go muti boy omo betina radio so ana fe ana TV so ana omo kan de nim offer the womuni galamsey the year under review galamsey over the worst so far ye nyina ye nim se oman mu enioma enkoye regarding galamsey. In fact omo opposition no na galamsey no kwase me wo mu ni se edrum poponso bi a Ghana fo nyina se afedi ame na mpa omo de ye campaign. But you see Emma Ghana fo hu se here say yesesa aban no because the environment there hu hia pa no kwase me wo mu ni se omo buy no for galamsey aye the worst under them, the worst. Na enye kwa ene obehu political figures omo ye NDC for prominent people omo ye MPs, prominent leading party people omo nyina ye involved in galamsey. Hussein tie ne bonyo so because identity omo image. But these people nyina be eye galamsey eno ho asem ya de kese a ha oman ne nsu ayenom ne sa ne oman nyina no ofa ya de a the year under review year 2025 no. In fact nyama kwachew enemiya me constituency part NDC for no we NPP for na maka say ni say NDC for na ye demonstration tia aye friend say MC no minimum so onim because regional aye friend say resec ni ade yoko mun nyina ba mu a sad demonstration all because of galamsey any other activities omo allege say drip no kra no drip machines aye ho MC e de galamsey. These are some of the things over maka galamsey hu nsema wie ni na o kan a gold board. Yes, gold board to some extent abeboa mine dollar sem na can even though and reflect your life mo no yenim the side ramifications of the gold board activities. Gold board no dia ban. Yes, it is can ban no more pumping, no production, no she. But yenhwe gold board no susu and so e wo galamsey na di we ma Canada. But ye manage say ye lawyer Boatin ye Rakesben papa me bo di anwumre ye ne lecture no. The speaker ne yedim de okan was say the galamsey is as a result of the gold board.
Professor Sammy Adé.
He said it and it became topical. Say galamsey issue na yintimi solving is because of the good board. And indeed true because president now openly has accepted say chunk of the amount of gold I get on if it this small scale and we all know say Ghana I can the small scale miners even though people because say more but the enim go for a classify almost and all these things you know you handled year under review 2025 government or parliament approved 3.24 billion Ghana cedis for roads. Of a tia Asante Bediatuo kwan be no nzo moy. Minim so betima kan bia kire me. Me ma kwan me time no fa bi rem. E kwan a wote ya mama kwan me time no fa bi. And so parliament approved 3.24 billion Ghana cedis for 2025 omo budget. Mo say ya kwan bi a wo de onim send message no ma of Akufo Addo. This is the year under review 2025. In fact, entire infrastructure budget of more allocated here for 2025 na 13.8 billion. Road nkwa 3.24 billion. Ye mi say omu say e kwan be no mo yi wa. Ene maintenance na ohun so omu tuatua no so offer e ho budget ho almost 5 billion. Your friend say 5 something I don't know. I would have to check again. CDs normal allocated for maintenance. Sa mobile no mo de gugu kwan amanamram no no nka 3.24 billion no. But ye ni kwan bia wa e wa Asante region. Yen e wo mu say ye ka this is a national discussion. But wow locality no be so mo say 2025 budget na ye 3.24 billion na omo allocated for you know o man temo no kwan be na ye yi o. Enti sa nyoma we nyina no ankosi hwe in the year under review 2025 of a 24-hour economy. Sa di we no mo de ye scam kese pa omudi de ma mrante ni to go omochi because me da bia meka. In fact, wa ope president edibia we need solution for unemployment no. Don't come. Yeah, NPP internal elections who will be able to provide jobs for the youth. And so omudi a big case and Ghana for toy especially mebuno 24-hour economy offer NDC. Omo budget 2025 omo kan once man go see. In fact 2026 omo year market I think 76 billion Ghana cedis. Now 2025 krawa bawa anyi huwa 20 besi. Besine the 24-hour economy has a friends amorphous nomenclature. Any shape yenim de wom. And yen na ete ho na omo de sa omo ho mrane. Meanwhile your coordinator ni sika sem sika editua ne kan ne nyoma nyina no. Eye the ministerial way equal to a ministerial portfolio. Says can the nipanegi plus other staff. Besine yenwu ade bia 24-hour economy na in this country. The year under review 2025. Now for Minister for Education, ye na shebo say afi we nkwa we ni afa teachers maku 50,000.
Yeah, na idusu.
Honorable Harry na idusu 50,000. So topic we betima check news portal ahodo. Omuntre say teachers do say no ma fa this year. Ye nyina ye hu say teachers ne nam demonstration gas ye form. Na indeed some of these things in the year will be NPP mijitum, but I shall say for NDC for the first time, teachers, nurses, doctors, court demonstration near Ansania for Mojumano. Estati Mahama 1, President Mahama 1. Ne bin sida, the na man call for medicine ni teaching ni nursing offer no because of market to yaso.
We are no
Jumandao. Because you show more jacket to akese pa nke engineers na ni omo maka. But the internet of for medicine ni it's a man. We are no adwuma. But JDM first JDM and the man doctors ni nurses e demonstrations and one adwuma. To the extent medical doctors called the ministries as anya posti omo. Sa backlog no MPP by we needed to fight it. Omuba ye umasa beshe sade no to the extent that the nurses ni teachers koshe omumbo say 50,000 teachers ye befa omuno ba kompo omuntimi mfai and the teachers isu wo ha na we college of education ni afa wada no me wa mi student ba ku bia o we 2023 dog uko TV suni radio so akabi mai ni etifie ya we service 2023 ye nyanya posting. These are the realities, these are the issues, and these are bread and butter matters. Enye ayi jamsiri na Hussein emuni edi no over oka ena wesu ati wo de Mr. wa wo hwe me wachi ukoto a eso ati wachi na wo sorry a ukoto di no ukoto a eso ati dokunu na MPP time ne e born 5 cities no ene aba 3 cities dokunu no a MPP time near born 5 cities no and about 3 cities insu no said the friend no sachet water na okoto no no and any boy is saying bottle water na MPP time medium size yet on 3 cities no and they saying 5 cities. These are the realities. It is what the people are feeling, in their pockets. And yet now we are saying some macroeconomics figures needed. We can throw them away. We can throw them about. Nanki ayeri de. But the nipa no feeling no. Ene omo ton tade nyina minim so mu tie me wo hwe me wo sen bro nya wo fa market akoto atade. Wo ko mo sen tade mo si ateto nioma so nioma ye tum. Enti ne nkofo gi twi badwom. Enso mu ba omo nto hwe no masan ko. Wo pe na yemi ofa opa wo branka bietum. Now share adansi nkofo bedi o traffic nesi no amanfo gi twi bedwom omoba omo ntɔhwe ukwa no maka kiro omo ton nioma wa adumu ani kejeti do ofa untimi ntɔ basically untimi ntɔ o maka kiro say ukwa na ka kiro mu say nioma ye o na nioma bo ayefo na ayese maka kiro say nioma bo ayefo so ntaade de ukɔ ayi ntimi nyewe mumi so omo say edien all because of this cosmetic economic management no omo ye no ye nua Kojo Kyeremanteng awoni omo said the omo ye no cosmetic any you know because they are only dumping dollars into the system, no production. Now for Antina and your mabo cost no. It is almost cast and your friend say inflation above from dollar above from Nasto Ukota de na border so yedia. It is because we are not engaging in production. We are not engaging in production basically. Enti ye board ya yedi nova. Asontie ne bo sontie. Ne ye bancha yedi ne bo sontie. Ye bayra yedi ne bo sontie because omun sheda man any tangible your friend is saying economic a great policy be any or long term to production. If you mobile and you might say a brony and kick so moka say let's grant it say even IFO and the docuno end product and no boy saying these are some of the critical questions we need to ask. Namomuni ya no saying for 2025 the year under review ya sitting munu I am runner now monka some offer the next one insecurity oma yimuno oba I NDC for buy na sumdwe musa. In fact na NPP also no boko asem no yede enim say tititi asem na NDC for e de campaign wo de boko ne ayitunja president na region e de nsi ye omo buy west to the extent say president na region people had to flee. What does it? People run away to seek asylum near in the neighboring countries. These are the realities. And then yankopo andom. And onam nana otufo nana mibodi ana mama muso. Nyansa ni nimde so nene bokunze nsem ne nsem aka aba fomo. Nanke eti asemo. Meanwhile mo yewe and these insecurity issues no ye big issues because they are affecting production. Boku teachers and nurses had to run away down south. The year under review 2025 these are the issues. So there's a eti umetena now maybe mema metri so enye te say de waye bibia e bi mada because ye nipa na etimu no we are share all right offer me pacho meba let's see meba o kasa e pa ndi iron rods ane bo ayefo rent wa rent dan afiwe na go sisen eswati ana maybe saw eswati wo dan akon han ye no ene ye de je usen ekosoro ana abafom. So wuti ho na wo hwe ono akan o se hwe wasitene mu a no wo hwe wasitene mu na de o de atoto 2024 eniyema bo na wo be hu difference no offer me das wo mo a omo akosku awie ya omo pa adwuma ayemfa wo mo ana ya fa bi ene de aban no aso ye so be create na aboa ma adwuma na wo ho dada no enipa mienu miensetimi aye eho any area pese ehwe the second round because the teaming you've a Melbourne a woman mono, ya one the manpower resource a Ghana a wono, one more assistant at saying. In the first year, NPP before I can say, a buy now said I yet projects be brave. In the second year, Settlement Penny, I must say, cut a saw near the day. We are likely to see, say, construction works near the day, a creation of jobs. Say Ghana, you ye, you man on one is a corner noa. Ya na on funny MP who be brisa. Let us see what the government has done and what government plans to do from next year. Bampes or year money. Hussein, yeah, we do masem. Launch a project. Go kete by 24-hour economy. Inyo hu ne kese pa. Fe ye fa achechere for a nurse for any de keke ka ho no hu aban mo de mo sen. Afi mo ya de adwumasem. Over
me da sina konya so dem bibio of a quick one me pese me yiki to ebi quick one o say galamsey no de ma galamsey tin kensin bibrebe good board of a me dey asem bisa na me bisa o of asana good board ni wo under NPP me boa na me pacho mo time no de na ma galamsey tin kensin se na good board enni ho no ma wo ka se the good board na ma galamsey tin kensin mo time galamsey Emma mo MPs are you a free mu begina honom ebeka say omo stop galamsey nde stop galamsey china omo crowd omo so omo ye galamsey emma you professor from Boakye be my report chere say presidency kra no omo wo forest atunu din we ye presidency forest ni nyina achi wo sa be kasa asem we dia etifo no mu nyina mu tie yen because time na good board mba no na moto good wo Ghana ha PMMC meboa MIF no to good Bank of Ghana so no to good. Me patch no to good ni free info for Ghana for muntie na monhwe wona tie asem okan no na muntie no. In fact, o say akwan bebre ho no ma sentiment mo anum se nya akwan. Ofa me metimi aka kire say MPP ni se nya no na so o kasa na nya chew pa. na o kan nsɛm bi sɛ ya ɛsa hyɛ asanteman Ghana man abufu ɔfa yɛ nyinaa wɔ hanim sɛ NPP for award contract haphazardly brane beji chama wutumi beji kone ko ye hanim sɛ nwene so we beji abra no mu ni sikada ho ɔfa me de mitum na me kyerɛsie yewura Simon Semensa no ye regional minister e wa sentimentum ha e ko ye nananom ahemfo anim e ka kyerɛ mo sɛ nananom nyame anim no kure ni de enti a uhu se ye akwan wɔ nkran ye nya akwan wɔ Kumase e ye sɛ ye ni sika aban no ya wɔdo contract nso ye ni sika enti ono kura wɔ nam ano afɛre ano asi ni trase because obi bisa na kwan asɛm wɔ sentimentum hu de wɔnka ofa omo ba ye contractors ni bebre na wo ho a muntu omo ka endo era John Dramani mama so ofa hu video no all direct roads and highway minister say only 1 billion cedis na onfantua 27 since 2017 contractors amu ba ye muntu omo ka ofa se me adwuma na muntu ameka se me nya de moral guard se me ye adwuma
1 billion a drop in the ocean.
Yes, ofa I know but you see yes enti ye ne nkakra and me no ka say big push asantema ye ka ho bi enema bebre wo no ma ye enche me je show so ntim betena nka hwe ofa nurses for come asem no ofa before say beto about 2017 2014 2024 na nurses for over 70,000 no mutifi amumfa o madwuma enti uka backlogs na kan backlogs ni ye mobile de mudi jaye no but mo see hospital bia e betimi accommodate nurses for yi open hospital say yesisi wo Ghana hanim say kamutim be wie se wia offer nurses for 70,000 bi nkoye adwuma se wia honom offer komu wia fele military hospital en ka nurses for nkebi nkoye adwuma wo honom offer de na ya me ya no NPP for mo di boni say yesa ba ne say yesa ka health a wonya no be ka health asem Mr. Media, men call down tangent, but a tear for national phone and Casa Eddie one dance or more beboye, or say a pumpy dollars offer NPP for mini dollars a more pumpy ye more pumpy the gumu, and ka dollars a pumpy never see the year, and come dollars a more pumpy, you know, and Kabema see the day. Aye, we a near my year John Dramani mama, or thinking outside the box, yes, one of her. A band of jobs, sir. Yeah. On say NPP are buying the Nenki him saying Kagana Mabuni in your Jumay. Because Ghana mabunu no wo hwe Ghana omo ye adwuma omo public sector payroll so I think omo mbru 1 million meboa good na NPP for catch so ma create over 5.3 million job 5.3 million jobs now for say 5.3 million jobs yi nyina by na nka wo hwe mabunu omo wie school tifie ya of for say nkebe for mu nyina akra ma adwuma ni bi aka ho. But nature say eye nada ene ntro awurudu rather some no mo ka kire Ghana for eno mo so ma create bi afeni NAPO ni ba ye ne me no ka say NAPO ni bitimi fie nche honum de bi okasa asem say me ne me ko TV so ame nkasa momo yewura Akufo Addo sika wantua momo no yewura ma ntua momo na yewura Akufo Addo ye mo 419 what you say offer ye ba ye no ye say de ni ma begu akwa mu na mmabunu mo nya dwuma ye offer enwuma e be ye ni nyina no meet my culture say infrastructure and ye the key to na a boy nyina offer say school dan say be for teachers for adwuma me boa offer ye akwan a den a benya contractors ye benya engineer for a be for adwuma Ghana offer me boa offer CAC ye hospitals say be for doctors for ye be for nurses for adwuma me boa offer me culture say John Dramani mama big push ne niam a wo ye no eninti and the Ghana dan construction hub bebe be fa bia wi omu ye adwuma enti sa niema we niema nkakra ye wia e bi nim se Ghana mabunu a o ma wie school omu titifie no omu nyina ye benya adwuma de ama omu ofa aside that ye ba ye hye boss ye ba ye the policies bi ebeba na policies na bebo ama mabunu so o ma wie school atifie nya adwuma ye ofa national apprenticeship program ye be launch yi wa Asante Bediatuo ya o ma register nkura ni bia me ne o kase nkura na fe no mba be start ama nkura na yeden akosua adwuma no usua adwuma we na opon aban so beboa wo na ososo no wanya ho offer aside that no on say adwuma wura program on be launch ye and me no kase 10,000 Ghana for 10,000 in fact last 2 weeks here na we training no me ko training ni bi kura me ko training ni bi me ye no mo ha ya Wizi Hub na mbe ye me training enti mabu no bebre na omo apply ye no in fact 10,000 mabunu 10,000 ene ya fa omo a ye de omo fa ntetie mu an aban ne ba be dum omo no mo ankasa so omo nyamu business to ofa we nyina ye nnwuma ye create we sustainable o sustainable job we nye sa fiasco ones ya omo be ye bi ti say NAPO ni sa ne ma na e ba ya amwa e mabunu no ofa ye wo ha nim say ye 24-hour economy o kan say NDC by 24-hour economy ofa me ta kon kran pa adenta okwa adenta DVL for no omo 24-hour service aboho a ofa anadwo me hu journalist baako owo city mo friend say Amaru mo ofa obebo am kakra journalist Amaru those Omar Sanda okwo ho anadwo 2-3 am okodu onipa gu ho no mo oje omo yi ofa omo pon no say bi sa akoyo e no fa ye nyina so enim say wo bon ka tie ye won sama uyi ni mako nti start ye no fa me no ka say passport office greater crowd do honoma omo ye 247 ofa bebi yi cars me de bia na NPP for ka say na ye adwuma da ofa me brother ba ko no ton cars o Tuesday ya na me ta ko habo pa ofa mo 5 a bibia nya adwuma ti say de no mo se ka no enne me no ka say ko honoma anadwo nyina no enema e koso honum nti eyen kakra ene yede ba minim say at the end of the day no emabunu benya adwuma bibra den ye nkokon ketenkete in any other case NPP for crowd omo so mo nwene Ghana fon to me kran yare nkokon yare e de abekum mabunu enyu NPP for emabunu ese e mam nkokon mo yen se na be o wie school kra na unyanya adwuma obetimi aye nkokon ne kakra na eja watimi de ahwefi aboa na yewura erukopoku etimi aboa ma policy way implementation na CPSita na NPP force akwatena ase ebo pa omo se omo de ombe kra nkokọ yare ene de abaga na abekum nkokọ ni nyina na chese se bi mpreduasa se munye mambofo a na munwene Ghana mabunu a omo pa adwuma aye ho enti na me no ka se nkokọ yare kwa abeso omo so ofa ka se be kra nkokọ yare ofa betima kra nkokọ yare ofa omo se ombe kra nkokọ kwankwa lo bi yare ombe kra de ababekum nkokọ no ye be hu sa ne ma ni nyina ofa nkofo we so de eja omuka so mbe yese eni kwan say edi mochini enti we nyina ye niema na ekoso enti opa jobs na offer NPP buy mi otchere nim say ubisa say NPP buy first term jobs say no mu create obeka NAPO no ndey wo himfa eni bebia de omuka so mbe eni nyina no na ye just fiasco offer na no kure bi ye we brother sem buy na de ni megu akwam minim say next year no offer unim say fa doctors for adwuma offer unim of how we into Wukas ye buy ye fa Akufo Adwuma ya fa doctors for ya post them to various hospitals into Mr. hospitals na yesisi no ye de ebesi Bank of Ghana NDC ya fa Akufo Adwuma o UGS NDC ya fa Akufo Adwuma de na musi ya fa Akufo Adwuma that's it Dona Simon jobs creation Adwuma 2025 we padodo say eno hu na ode nwanwai saa enna dien na mo betimi aye eno so ode nwanwai saa over say NDC for ni abra enye sword cutting u kate sword a wonya hwe de omo na onim sword a ya cutting no kromu angoze hwe unim akwan a ya twa no kromu a angoze hwe enti mintia se omo de sade no bo omo safoyen isi enema omo ye nyina no kan ho asem 2025 budget ni mo atena ho saa omo nim se ba afene ba be kwa wie ye be kan ho asem ni ti no na president ni movie run e kate sword but ni omo na ye no e wo mu se 2025 enkenya end ba end wie December 31 afena mo na mo kate sword the point is niema potibe na mo de egu akwan mu a mo susu se be ma ayi na dwuma what the social services to say health education is a new man do say na mobile mafa na Akufo Addo buy no backlog na mo create e nurse ni ade no say year na I want to tell you so buy no be far so many I can't give you the figures now but you see the reality is that momo buy within this first year no any part nurses do say na mafa teachers do say na mafa with the promise of you be recruiting 50,000 this. Even police near that way, it is pushing into next year. These are the realities. And the yet kanuma, Babruna otie me no notifia otie.
and he knows the reality. Maybe no one bit my betna beka the best he can be at their boy party, no? But the reality is being felt by the people over there. Moshe, over me that's.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.